Happy birthday to you.
Hey, my name is Crystal and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick cleaning of my kitchen that ends up taking about 2 days and a brief trip to Ikea for my grandmother and a little birthday party for my 2-year-old. So if you like Clean With Me's home decor shopping, fashion, and lifestyle, just to name a few, please stick around and click that subscribe button. Let's first start off by cleaning my dirty kitchen. Is it me or is it like the kitchen is always dirty? You clean it up and then you look back again and it is just a mess again. I would definitely have to say my kitchen is the most frequently used space in my entire home besides the den area. My family loves home cooked meals and congregating together to play games and watch movies. My kitchen tends to need a little extra TLC from time to time. If you would like to see a more in-depth Clean With Me video of how I deep clean my kitchen, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time I drop a video. The next space getting a quick cleaning is my breakfast nook. Let's start off by vacuuming the crumbs out of my rug. And oh, look at my big and little baby. Always in the way, but I guess I wouldn't ever want to change it. Next, let's clean up my den area. This is probably the second most used space in the entire house. We watch movies, play games, and just chill together in this space. What's the most used place in your home? Leave a comment down below on what it is and how you try and keep it clean. Later that evening, I went ahead and took my grandmother to Ikea to purchase some things for our home. And as you know, once you walk into that place, you'll either see something that you want or you think you need. Everything pretty much was sold out on this particular run for myself, but the following week, I was able to start going ahead and getting the things I needed to decorate my back patio. That video will be live soon. Has anyone else been decorating their patio? Leave a comment below and let me know how it's going. Okay, listen, this is like going on day 2. So yesterday I was in the midst of cleaning up, but as you know, I have a 2-year-old and also a 10-month-old. So every time I'm in the process of trying to clean up the kitchen and record it for you guys, it's like it's not possible. So this is gonna be real life. You're gonna really see that the house does not ever really stay straight. But luckily right now, I'll turn it around so y'all can see, I only have a few dishes in the sink that need to be cleaned, so that's a good sign. But just kind of, we for the most part try to keep it straight and cleaned up, but for the most part it's probably always gonna be more lived in than not. So you see, can never get that straightened up over there. But we're gonna do it right quick before they wake up. So let's get to it. I guess I'll just do these first because it's really just putting these their toys up in an area where you can walk through. So. Luckily, I got the kitchen cleaned up to the best of my ability. So we'll do like a little pan through. Gotta put some stuff up, but it is nice, neat, clean, smells good. And then I think I'm gonna clean up this little den area a little bit and then lay her down and let her watch a movie while I fold the clothes up. So go through here and let's see. Ooh. Sorry. Gave you a little whiplash. Alright. Looks like everything's cleaned up. So everything is nice, neat, clean. See, I put those toys up over there. You know, you get my drift. Alright. This is for the most part clean as well. I've already vacuumed in here already from earlier, so it's just putting the cover, the tab, not the towels, Lord Jesus. The stuff that the blankets, girl. Put the blankets up. Then we should be good. Alright, it's such a pretty day outside. Got my little new plant out here. Oh, and then this is going to be coming up soon. You see, I only have a little chair out there, but I'm going to get that patio squared away. I'm going to get them something to sit outside on. I think I saw something at like Ikea that I really liked, but it was sold out when we went to Ikea, so I think I have to order it online. Turn it back so you can see us. Say hey. Say hi, Cassidy. Take that at your mouth. But so yeah, I want to straighten that up so that now we can kind of start sitting out here. Now that we've decided we're going to stay here maybe at least another year, I decided I'm going to go ahead and try to finish everything up. Get curtains, get the outside fixed so we can kind of sit out there with them. And yeah, just so I can kind of be done, you know. I love decorating, but at the same time, I want my space to be complete, at least for a little while, you know. So, but let me put her down, put on a movie for her, listen for the little one up there, and I'm going to fold the clothes up, and we'll get back with you soon. Talk to you later. Say bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kassidy.
Kassidy,
happy birthday
to you.
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Show me.
Kassidy.
Say 2.
Kassidy, quick.
Come on. 2. Say 2.
Okay, she not worried about that.
Ready?
Blow it.
Go ahead.
Okay, go ahead, blow your candles out.
Go ahead,
Come on.
blow it out.
Hurry up.
A pumpkin.
Okay,
No.
yeah, pumpkin. Go ahead, blow your candle. Blow.
You gotta blow harder.
Blow hard.
Yeah.
Woo! Yay! Okay. He's like, okay.
No.
No.